Let's make photo manipulation. Bring a background of cave and adjust it. Bring an image of galaxy and dot put behind cave image. Apply level and adjusted value and dot on mask side, start brushing. Apply hue saturation and drag to dot less saturation. Apply hue saturation again and adjust its values. Now make a group of all layers. Bring a man in PNG and convert it to smart object. Take a new layer and start brushing under the man's shoes. Take a new layer a guy and start brushing to make a shadow. Put mask on shadow and remove some part. Apply level and adjust values. Apply color balance and adjust values. Bring an image of jellyfish and put dot blend mood to luminosity. Now make more copies of jellyfish. Put all jellyfish behind the man. Apply mask on jellyfish and remove some parts. Make new copy of jellyfish and do same process. Make a group of all layers. Now apply brightness and contrast and adjust values. Thank you for watching.